We're at Protech Welding in North Van. So we're a steel fabrication shop. We do mostly residential steel and some commercial work. 50% of the shop is fabrication and the other 50% is on-site install. We as a shop have got busier and busier and busier. So we're looking at, do you get a bigger shop or many more employees? So the robot simplifies things because all of the layout, the cutting, all the coping that has to happen, and all the holes are all done for you as it's rolled into the shop essentially. Well, one of the big things it does for us, we found, is that from having all of those various functions combined into one unit, you're not tying up the crane with having to move material around the shop. So actually it simplifies shop life, because instead of having to fly all the steel from one section to the next to get worked on by the individual people, all of that's done. The Protech guys are great. Anytime you've got a question or anything, they're really quick to help you. We have a Slack messaging with them from the robot, so if we ever have an issue, you fire them a message, they get back to you almost immediately, so easy peasy. We've had the robot for about a year and a half now, and in that year and a half, the time it takes us to do a job has probably been cut down to a quarter. We are probably 5 times the amount of output that we have in the last year and a half than we ever have before. So we're definitely pumping out more steel than we could ever hope to.